Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm actually in Venice, Italy, and I just visited the Gucci store and just purchased the Gucci Horsebit bag that was reinvented from 1955 in black leather and gold hardware. So I just wanted to share my unboxing with you and hope you enjoy it. Here you go in this beautiful Gucci box. Comes in a lovely dust bag. It looks very vintage. So this is the 1955 Horsebit model, and the beautiful thing about it is I believe this is also in the mini size, and it comes with a nice big compartment with a little card pocket in here. And then the fun part is you can actually wear it with two different bag straps. So it comes with the beautiful Italian flag strap design, and it's adjustable, and also a leather strap. So it gives you a few options in terms of how to wear the bag. And nice gold hardware claw clips. So here it is. And the bag slips like this inside. This would be what it looks like. That's the strap. Here's some modeling shots. Adjustable, and then with I like to call it the fabric Italian colors strap. Crossbody, or you can shorten it and wear it as a shoulder bag. So yeah. Looking forward to using this bag and enjoying this bag in Italy. I'll do a more detailed usage and review of this bag when I get back, but I just wanted to quickly share this unboxing with you and hope you're having a great summer. Bye now!